Hi all. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an assignment or create an assignment on Seesaw. I'm going to go ahead and take my image away from here so that you could see more of my screen. And sometimes this rectangle from Screencastify gets in the way. Sorry about that. Anyway, so you're going to click on Add. You're going to click on Assign Activity. And there's a lot of activities that are already made by the Seesaw community and by our district, people at our district. And you can search in both of these places for activities by grade level, subject, topic, so on and so forth. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own. You might not need to. You might find something that you want on there. But just in case you don't, or you have something that you want to create yourself, here you go. So I've already typed the instructions so that I don't sit here and type them because sometimes I can't type and talk at the same time. But if you see how I wrote add, the reason I did it this way is because I want the kids to see this icon when they see my instructions. So in order for it to look like this, I have to type this. So, and these shortcuts are at the end of this PowerPoint. So anyway, you write your instructions. I usually add voice instructions to mine because my kids are 4 and they can't read, my students. If you have a video of yourself teaching the lesson, making an anchor chart of what is a circle, or what is a square, or maybe you're working on shapes and you want them to be able to describe them using academic language, and you've created an anchor chart using that vocabulary like corner, side, so on and so forth. If you have a video or a thing link or a read aloud or something like that, this is where you would put it. And this is where you put the templates or worksheets for student work. So I'm going to skip these 2 steps for now, and I'm going to click on this. I have a background that I made on Google Drive, and you can't see these 2 buttons because the Screencastify. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you can either upload something from your computer or pick something from Google Drive. I made my background on Google Slides, so I'm clicking on Google Drive. And here is my background. And in this activity, I want the kids to move over things that are shaped like a circle. I went through Google Images and I downloaded a couple of images that I want to use for this. So I just click on the little camera, select the image that I want. So let me show you. Camera, upload, and then I go to the folder where my pictures are saved on my computer. And then I add the items from that folder. And I'm going to put a couple of non-examples as well, just for fun. So sorry, I just realized I did something silly, but I'll take care of it in a minute. So upload, shapes. I'm going to go back to my circles. And like I said, these are just images from Google Images. These are PNGs. That's why they don't have, or this one is, that's why they don't have a background. Let's do another circle. And then let's do one more non-example. Okay. And then, so sorry, this isn't supposed to be there. I forgot I put that there. I'm just going to delete that part. Delete that page. Anyway, so there it is. Then I just click check. And at this point, I can save it and I can assign it to my class. So I can either assign it to my whole class or I can edit and click off the students that I want to assign it to. I can also schedule, like if I wanted to roll this activity out tomorrow, then I would select that